Happy Sunday, one and all. Blessing be thy name. Yes, man. Give praises to the Almighty, It's a Sunday, you know. And as a youth growing up, a Sunday church, we know. We want to grow to come here about other churches, but a Sunday church, we know. Yeah, man. Anyway, give thanks and praise to the Almighty for us to be here today. At this minute, where I am speaking and you are watching. There's a lot of people can't even say it because they don't have the breath in their body to say it. So I can praise the Almighty. You understand? All praises goes out to Him. Anyway, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Help that channel to grow. Me a beg you know. Help the channel to grow. It's a multi-purpose channel. Family oriented. The only time you might get something where you might have to tell your grandkids or your smaller child to excuse and go into your next room is when probably gonna see me do a little bar talk or them little drama talk. Yes. But everything else you try to keep it clean. And when you do those type of video, you will see it in the title. Rated PG. So you know to look out for what is to come. We not just dash it out the gear. Rated PG. Because we want to keep it clean. But we unfiltered things. That's why we try to do things the clean and the right way. But when you do them like a drama, corner talk and bar talk there, you can't filter people. People allow you to video them already. So what you want still go filter them is either you video them or you don't video them. And you don't know the thing will start right here so and it just go way up here so without you even know say they are go there. But sometimes we don't bother cut out them things because those things is the type of thing will bring the drama sometime because if somebody are deliberate on something and I go at it, you understand? You will see who end up be the loser at the end because the one who feel like him start lose now, him take it from right so to up here so. You understand? But the good thing about it, it not get physical. But drama and drama come with a lot of things. So we see that in the title, Rated PG. And remember, just support the backup channel as me say. Life is a Mission TV. The link in the comment section, pin. Alright? And go follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And favorited, Life is a Mission TV. Over in the comment section, same way, you ask her to get it. The cash app is there, $ charms and trends. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. Not the greedy. Straight needy, we get things out here. We not the greedy people. And you can check out my website. Bless up my sister in Florida. She's in Jamaica. And she reached out before she even land and said she got there and she need a t-shirt. So I meet her today up by where Urian Miller brother sell, up by Arthur Tree, Canton Spring Road I should say. Yeah. Where she go visit the Urian Miller brother and support him while waiting on me when I carry a t-shirt to her. Bless up yourself, sis, from Florida. Alright? As me say, check out my website. The website, not my website, but the website that I am affiliated with my merch, charmsandtrend.shop. Just go on the website, you can get the hats to order and the t-shirts. But the hats, if you're living overseas, for you to get a hat, you can order it on the website and you still get the hat, but you have to be coming to Jamaica or have someone in Jamaica, whether a friend or a relative coming up. So when you make the purchase, the information will pass on to me and then I will prepare the hat. If the person is in a different parish from Kingston, I can not sew the hat down to them. If they are in Kingston, just like I'm going to meet up that subscriber today based on where they are, we can meet at a central point and I do the delivery free of cost. Alright, so check out the website of Charms and Trend and check out the Instagram page charm_and_trend. So anything you see over there, get it customized. Water bottle, tumblers, you name it. And we are talking about quality things at affordable prices. And anything you see over there, you can also get it at a Speak My Mind merge. And that's a good thing when you shop with Charms and Trends. You can request what you want, customize, and you get it. But like the t-shirt and the caps, you know, that is definitely the brand of Speak My Mind. So you will get the brand name Speak My Mind. I'm looking about a logo also, a nice little fancy logo. So you don't know, say, based on how them you go, you know. And if you plan to continue, you know, the thing will step up with a different look each time. But if not, I will just make my own merch to wear. Alright? But me I work on the logo, it ready. It just not ready yet, but the logo alright. You know? Now going too much in. Anyway, we're getting one video, yeah, people. So just run to the website, as me say, charmedandtrend.shop. Curly. I don't know what the Portland woman has said about the whole issue of she being the one who behind, you know, Curly putting on a manners. Some people say Curly out to lose her job. Some people say Curly they on probation, or Curly get fire and get some time to prepare herself to leave, because some people say she carrying her old cockroaches them, so the people they must give her time whatsoever. Everybody have their own opinion. But she's saying that the woman of Portland is taking up something and owning it. Say as she do it and she has nothing to do with it. So basically she said the Portlander tell lie on herself and over her platform and collect one bag of money. You know what? Curly people money where them earn on social media always be your biggest problem. Yes, man. It all, cause you have to always highlight that part, the money part. When you know YouTuber pay you, when you know your name make people make money off of YouTube, or when them a collect, whether in a pretty screen, cash up, where you don't want to call it, dash up, or whatsoever. That is always your problem. And nobody stop you out here from put yourself in the same position as a big deal, superstar. Somebody were out here a long time. Nobody stop you. So why when people are earning off of social media is always going to be a cry? If you're going to say the woman tell lie on her own self so she call your boss, stick to that. You don't have to go to where she earn from where she has said. It's like, yeah, she was jealousy of her she earning where she earn. If that's the way she choose to earn something by telling lie on herself, you don't have nothing to do with that. All you have to do is come out and come tell lie on yourself too. But you are tell lie on yourself. But the thing about it, you not earn from the lie where you tell from yourself. And probably that burn you. People try everything that you have done and earn from it. But when you try it as a big deal, you can't earn from it. That unproven say is no deal. You understand? That unproven say is no deal. Anyway, people, make sure you get in our video.
It's members only. Listen to me.
I see she try play music in between because basically she don't want nobody take her video. Because as you know, she says she got chop up video and she got this video, splice it up and cut it up in a different minutes and seconds, you know, all videos, because she got the out here do what she do, no one whatsoever. If you not interested in a social media money, it now do nothing for you, it now pay your bills. And if you have to take a break because of your job, you already post these videos already. Why you going to choose to cut them up now and splice them up now to put them out here? If you continue earn. But it shouldn't be so. If you take a week or 2 weeks off of the media, you just take it. And if you only can post one video a day or do one live a day because of the time schedule now and you're on a restriction, because you say your work pay better than YouTube and social media overall, you just know say one video you post, but you're still coming out here finding a way to run down the money where you say is no use to you. Further down you go say certain things about the money, you know. Where back then you did say otherwise, but me I wait till you talk. Continue.
I'm gonna make a statement here tonight.
But yeah, she realized that the music will affect she also, so she can't hold out.
Alligator woman right here. This alligator woman right here, so who has been trolling me.
She play music, you know, but she can't hold it out.
Depressed, broadcast people them. Buffoonist has been rejoicing over the fact that I decided to not to come on social media.
You decided not to come on social media, or you were forced not to come on social media. It's either or either, and you choose not to because you claim say the money weaker than what you get. Which a smart move that. But me know you're not comfortable. You're gonna suffer from social media meningitis. Yes, man. For you, if you get restricted and can't come on social media as you have a mind, and you feel wall out if you do that, you're gonna suffer from social media meningitis. Me I tell you that. How watch and say if I lie, you can't wall out this.
I don't want to put the client voice on social media. I could come on social media and I could go in the bathroom, I could go in the other room, but that is not the work ethic.
When you know that,
So just because now
when you find out that,
I decided,
you
and my
decided,
boss said to me, don't put it out. Don't
all of a
make him
sudden
voice
you
catching. It's
decided,
okay. This woman here has been rejoicing all day. But I want to let you know that this woman here is a pathological liar.
pathological.
And I can prove that she's a pathological liar. She's out here
Pathological.
rejoicing that she was the one who called and did what and say whatever. No, and a certain she never knew nothing
Nothing.
until I came out and said something. If I never came out on social media and make it known that somebody got contacted the lawyer, she wouldn't know nothing.
I want you to say contact the lawyer for who don't know enough for the story. It's not a lawyer to deal with any case. She working with a lawyer, allegedly, as what she says, is a lawyer, is her boss. So it's not to deal with any case. Alright?
And this woman stay over her page taking credit. But they're collecting money and rejoicing and calling me all kind of name. That's something that she don't know about. Because when I came out on social media and I tell a story, I never told it right. Because I want them to run away with certain information and turn them into a fool. So that's
This will show you say you is a fool. Because every day you come out and you're concerned about money where people are making off of social media, especially using your content, your name. And if you choose to do this as all you are saying, you just come talk things, that simply means you are feeding us with content. Because we not gonna hear you come out here, talk things whether it goes or not, and we not use it as a content. You have come out here and talk a lot of things. We know you are talking crap, you're talking shh. And then we still take it and use it as a content to expose you talking shh and highlighting you talking shh. It's a content for us. We make money from it, don't it? Because YouTube pay us for it. And if you have a concern about we are use your content and this and that and we will stop, why you continue to come out here and do these things and then complain when we make content from it? I know we look like an idiot, and you look like an idiot. Because many times you come out here come say things, we know where you say a crap. But we take it and we make a content to highlight you talking shh. It's simple as shh, you a talk. Alright.
why Marcia can tell you straight up that he never go all the way that I tell you go. She don't know nothing. Because the resources were coming out of close connection. It didn't have nothing to do with she. So when she out there boasting and saying she did it, this little whole runaway slave buffoon and Black History Month did not know nothing about it.
A big month that you know.
And
So
she's
we are
over
talking
there
about.
collecting money
No, yeah,
all night, rejoicing.
And what talking about
Oh, she
people.
take me down.
Soda.
And I can't come
I
out
know
and
that
do
take
no
me, but
blogging
I
until
said
certain hours. I'm the one who said it. I am working
sometimes the body cause
against the
misbehavior, you know?
rules and the IPO law not to put our patient on the internet. I, Marcia Campbell, know that because I work in the field. But sometimes you get comfortable in your job.
Poor excuse, Marcia. Poor. Not even poor relief, no. And Father, whole long and food for the poor and salvation army, no poor like this excuse. This not justify why you are do this. Why you have to do what you are going to do now according to you. You working at the field. You know just start working at the field. You say how much years of service. That you retire and you come back because hard life will take you. I mean, if they get a dream, say chumpy, they're going to lock off all of the freeness them we all live off of. Or probably because sometimes you sit down and you think from last year, how it go? Winter? Yes. And you never want this year one vacation in the same position. So you decide to show out this year and go look work. Because see if after winter, if you're going to still have the energy there and the zest there for work. Because see if you're going to be like some of the boy them only when Christmas a come or them want a money to go buy pretty clothes to go to one party or the girl them want to work. And as soon as the occasion where them go work for come and gone, them tap work till another occasion arise. But when you come here so with, can't justify this. Because you know this long time and you did still do it. All when you do it over and over and client expose. And the people them come out upon them platform and try to tear you down for you lose your job and all kind of sitting. You still continue to do it. So why you know the law and you still do it. And you know the rules and regulations and you still do it. Why and now you are going to say you're going to stop. You not do this by will. What you do or by force you do it. So no matter how you want to come and say you taught the story but you never always taught the story right and you never this and you never that. Anything where you going to do yourself and not by will or by force. Because you can't know all of this all long and still do it over and over after you've been exposed doing this crap over and over. People cry out so they're going to report you. They're going to call Congress to you like how you want to call them for me. Them say they're going to call FBI for you. Them say they're going to call CIA. Everywhere where you want to call for other people, them plan to call for you. All when you involved in a them type of sitting here because you have a special agency for it. You understand it? And you still come out there and do it. But no, you're going to stop. You're going to stop because you were forced to move.
Because you know you do a living job and you said you're not doing any harm. You're not doing any harm, you just sit down because you know that. So you know that living job is a very stressful, it's a very boring job. And you have the little bit of highlights and whatever. And my job, my boss, I'm sure she's listening to me. When tomorrow or whatever, she don't really come around like that. Because she trusts me. But she calls every day or also to check up on us. But she doesn't come around like that. And she's not into social media like that. So you come out and you do a little something and as you've been doing for years.
So
And this woman is
you get comfortable with your boss. You know what you're doing, it's wrong, it's against the rules and regulation. But because your boss is not in social media, this is how dishonesty is. Because you know the truth, you know the right from wrong. But because you know your boss is not in social media, you tell yourself so your boss would not see you. So you take disadvantage of the situation, deal with the man according to how you deal with him enough time. Check where the battery them out of the remote because you don't want the man turn on the TV. Because you want him to go in bed where you can go up on live. You sabotage him and with all kind of things. You know, give him this, cause him this and him Tara and him Wara. Allegedly, you give him 2 tea when I want him to get. Because you want the tea to strong because you know what the tea will do. Put him to rest. And all these things. You know she never go see them there. So you take the advantage. Oh, we understand. But you never know, say people might know or we know you. And know say you are the care. And carry the news to her. That's social media, this you know. Me not have to watch social media if you know say somebody call me name, you know. Somebody might And somebody will see at some point and reach out to me and say, but wait. That you have to remember, social media is a worldwide web. We can have a family and a friend live way at China and see you expose my picture and me never see it, and them call me and you talk up all kind of things. And that's something I gotta draw attention to you. So whether the woman in a social media or not, you know the rules and the law governing whatever work you do. And if you're a big woman who say you're in the work all long, why don't you follow the rules and regulation? Social media mean nothing to you. You have not benefited anything from social media over the years. You have to work for what you want as according to you. So why love social media more than your job that is paying your bills? That you would have run risks going against the rules and regulation of your job because of social media to lose your job. Come on, make it make sense, Marcia. When I hear that out here?
Out of social media telling a big lie. Well, I'm here to tell you, Portland, you is a damn fool. And I'm behind closed door just laughing at you. Well, I'm going to tell you, Portland, you don't have no victory over Marcia Campbell and CJ. Me and CJ won the victory. I am going to tell you some of the reason why you don't have the victory over me. For me not to come out here. Not coming out on social media until I finish my duty. It is a blessing. God make it happen this way because I wanted to come off of social media and don't come out here until a certain time because I was sick and tired of social media. Number 2.
All of a sudden,
YouTube is not paying my
social
bills.
media by a man and woman and
Number
life.
3, the money that I make in 2 days, YouTube don't give me that. So there is no reason for me to feel mad that I'm coming because I don't get the support. So what am I losing?
Marcia, you keep saying the money where you make, you have to make this for the week, for the month, in 2 days. Marcia, there's a lot of people in your job, your same job description, people in the higher level, who is in social media watching. When you can't lie to me, when you know nothing, and others, you can't lie to them, yourself, and God, because them in the same field, and they know what your wages can be like. Yes, you might have some people might get a little top up because them like you or whatever. So probably you might have work $15 an hour, or the work value of $15 an hour and they might give $20. You understand? But at the same time, all these people will know about the work situation in other field, you know. Them know how much you're supposed to earn between Yasso and Yasso, you know. Them know up this, you know. Or between Yasso and Yasso. So why you come out here come lie? You know much of them people here reach out to me and say, Marcia, lie on my WhatsApp and my DM and say, boy, no, I'm in the same field as Marcia. And you earn between this and that. You understand? When Marcia says she have earned, like them that say the person who above her doing that work, like a nurse or whatsoever, is earning even less than what Marcia says she have earned. So Marcia if you have earned that. So Marcia, if you stop come out here, come tell these blatant lie and feel like say you win over, you know. Because you can't lie to me. Because me smart. You understand? But the people them really have the facts. Your worst I can't lie to them. Because they have the facts. What would be so special about you that your job description, the minimum salary an hour is $20 and somebody gonna pay you $40? Not even if them desperate. You might get a 25. But not even if them desperate you will get 40. Because too many people out there in the same field will want the job. So it's not like there's a handful of people so them desperate. I remember now, it's an agent here I work through. Nobody go on like say we are idiot. Because you come out to come talk about people introduce you to and get the work for you. Lie! You know what your mouth slip and slip in a and you talk. It's an agent. And then when you realize when you say you back up, backboard, like you take off eat that out there. We not eat that out there, Marcia. Stop telling lie, man. The money where you claim to say you earn, you're not earning that.
Drunk people. I am here.
We
We
know
are
your business.
peace. I don't have to come out and run up my blood pressure. My phone has been busy speaking to my friends and behind closed door, spending quality time with my friends and what was I doing out here before?
Friend
I was
them.
just coming out here
And
and
that's where your friend them are the feel. Them the big friend that we have now, them nothing to you.
eating my lunch, eating my breakfast. What am I gaining? So you tell me.
Because if you have so much big friend in high places and your behavior continue to be rotten and rude out here like this, me no want know them the big friend the way you have behind closed door. If you have high class friend as how you put it behind closed door, you go as far as say you have lawyers and you have doctors and you have this watching you. Because the whole owner come with the same thing, you know. Where such woman always talk about, you know, because you don't want. But such woman one has been proven. Such woman one has been proven, you know. We see time and time again celebrity. You're a celebrity, man. Go look at what John Crow. You're a celebrity, man. Time and time again we see celebrity pop up at 99. Time and time again we see celebrity pop up on the phone line. You understand? But all the celebrity we don't talk about behind closed door, we don't see them pop up nowhere. Time and time again we see the celebrity them where they behind fear closed door when they want to be known, come out and them give them forgive. And you hear say such person from such place. You understand? How much time you out here battle like a fool? Lose him neck. Eh? For gain one little dollar. You team up with somebody who is in an entertainment field. We're supposed to have a crowd for yourself also. And it still can't work out. And you have these people you create in your mind. Behind closed door. You're supposed to can box off on like $1,000 quick, I want 2,000, 3,000 quick. You struggle. Combine with you and the entertainer on a struggle to make 500 much as 1,000. Every day you come out here and talk about people behind closed door where you have. You know, like, by the way, as I say, me a question it as some people that say the same Freddie, you know. How are you and Freddie kick off? Or Freddie have sense now, but Freddie not have sense if I the same Freddie. Because she run gone from you and run gone over there, so. It come like Freddie love the cast too. Yeah, man. Because if I the same Freddie, me I wonder why you and her have make she gone over there, so.
Why should I feel sorry that I don't come out here at night time when I'm a night owl? Me is a night person. Me not gonna bed until 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. It is against the laws, rules and regulation. Everybody knows that. But sometimes we chances. We do a look at something because we know that we boss don't really check up on those things.
Excuse you, look, man.
You understand? So when you come out and you rejoice,
You want to make it look like a year chance.
until that time.
I got your
And
chance.
a good curfew. I'm getting paid. I get paid for 24-hour work, but my shift stops at 10:30, 11. How much of una working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and when a shift cut off at 12 p.m. and una get paid for the rest of the night? Me get paid for when me sleeping. So why should I jeopardize my work?
You get paid, your shift cut off, but you get paid because you get paid for stay and oversee. You make it look like, say, you get paid and you gone to your yard. It's a 24-hour job you do as well, you say. It's just that the hectic part of your job cut off at certain time. So, I don't understand when you say you do 20, how much a week out here do, 9 to 5. And wait, come on. So, what you want to tell me, say, when your time cut off, the pay where you get, they will pay you for sleep at them place. Whether you should have paid them for sleep at them place because you don't live nowhere. Or them just pay you to make sure you supervise even when the other part of your work is over. At such time where you say, me not understand. Me know people in the comment section don't talk. I wanna if I'm foreign, I know them type of work system they go. Me don't know. But me know she talk crap.
When I know none of you out here can't pay my bills. The money that I make on YouTube can't even pay my car insurance and my phone bill or anything like that and some other things, and can't pay my food bill for the month.
People, remember at the top of the video, I tell you to me have part of the video where I want to highlight to she a liar. When you hear she talk about what she get off of YouTube can me pay her car insurance and pay whatsoever. Marcia, you're a damn liar. And you have to stop come out and come tell them like a daring man. Remember, it is on record when you tell these lies. You come out here and say, you not make nothing much off of YouTube. Yes, YouTube can't pay your bills. And in the same breath, over and over when you make this statement, you said, although it can pay 1 month insurance, do your nails and buy like a food. So oh no, you ever say it can't even pay your car insurance for the month? When over and over you come out here and you say the money not big, but at least sometimes it stop a gap because it can't pay 1 month car insurance and you can't go do your nails and buy 2 food. So oh no, you gonna say it can't even pay your car insurance. You see, this is how you stay. You come out here, you talk things. But when you want to prove your point, you turn around and twist your mouth on where you said days ago. And just prove how liar is every day. But you have to understand, we out here know when you're telling the lie, when you make up story. So all when you feel like say you come out here, well, me don't know about for most of them, but me know about for myself. When you think enough of your things that me never come out here come talk about all when you do your life. Because me know say some of them, you just do it to get a reaction from we out here. So you can get back. You can get back a content to come back out here come do a video or a live. So sometimes when you say something, me know you just do that willfully. But all these things, you don't do this willfully. You just not remember say it said that. You know what you come out and come say the money. Sometimes it stop a gap a month time and pay your car insurance. And you can buy 2 food out of it and do your nails. But no, it can't do it.
To come out here.
Chumpy come in,
and the
things
plan
gone
for
sky
them come
high.
out here in the
All you get
daytime.
less money.
When you're in the, how you people is going to come out here and mock me. When you're in the nursing home and working 12-hour shift, can you be on your phone? When you're in the hospital working 12-hour shift, can you be on the phone?
Why you never ask yourself a question?
So if I'm in the house,
I used to ask yourself a question over the years.
Being, so shall it be. Why is it laughing stock? I don't be losing. I won't lose. Because I am the one that me no shit on them.
So
Only the
that thing,
one who losing. Because I use my contents a daytime 2-3 times a day to make money. Now I have to scrap for crumbs. I have to crap for crumbs and I have to go back and repeat myself over
no,
and over.
Marcia, are you alone out there,
Why you
Marcia?
making my money?
Are you alone
That's
out
someone
there?
not working. 2 days of my paycheck can't pay someone a blood clot rent. So why should I worry and stress over who no? Then uno say una idiot.
$3,000 a month rent done. Because the oldest house in right now, you have to pay 8,000 or 6,000.
Chimpanzee, you know, say you're an idiot. You're a pathological liar. You know, do nothing. You know, you call the body. This is coming from a close resources. You never call no way. No video never send no way. And this lady can't call back my boss and tell my boss nothing. Cause my boss will look out for her. Cause my boss tell me to get all I know YouTube channel and send come give her, especially you. She and
So hold on. Are the same boss so you say in a social media. But when I want to question you so. You make it sound like your boss want to kill this woman. Yeah man. To how you talk you so. Allegedly the lawyer where you say your boss is. Your boss sound like one kill this woman. If what you are say right here so is anything for go by. You make your boss sound like she kill this. So Marcia, who is you? That your boss are going to do all this and go through all this to you. It's not easier to fire you and get somebody else. Agent, I need someone else. Replace her. It's easier. Oh, your boss are a legal aid. So she used to doing these work for free because she's a legal aid and get paid by government. Your boss must want a legal aid. Because I can't see how your boss are going to do so much things. Just because of you. Your boss not in a social media, but she going to do all this now for social media because of you. When are you a F up in her work, Are you a F up in her work, you know? So the history where you have out there in a social media with whosoever and whosoever, she not supposed to matter that she go investigate case and see this and know. I frighten you, I try to frighten people to need that. And stop come at you and stop call who them a call and who them they call and who them plan to call. And you have to understand that the people them know all of this, Marcia. Your boss must want legal aid lawyer, so she used to working free and get subsidy from the government. Make she gonna come all of a sudden now. You I work for her and she gonna do all this. How will they work? Nobody else know what to do the work. Are you alone? Oh, I don't know.
So if you are think to call her and tell her kind of lie, she came on the pages then when she asked me to give her and she saw the writing them and she saw them and I explained to her what is going on. But me glad so that lady that is a close connection of a person who knows him. You not take no glory out of this because you never know Jack. You's a fool and you's a big liar.
I tell lie for your boss, Marcia.
Karma is coming to you
your
once
boss
again.
want to hear this. You tell lie for your boss.
What you're doing to Marcia Campbell is a joke with my life. You have another thing coming. And that is the reason why I am taking you to court.
That is the reason why you try to scare people off of you. You think I can't feel this? We know you are scarecrow, but we not can't feel out here. So you don't need to come here so to scare nobody. Because all the con them come like you want to scare. Because you don't see like say we are idiot out here. So when the pressure reach you, and if you bust your pipe, you come with all kind of story like, you know, you want scared people. We sitting down waiting on the lawsuit and all them sitting there for manifest. And you are the same when you ask why that such woman they want to sue people where you ask she go get. Why she want to sue poor people and all kind of sitting over social media. Chat. But you want to come do the same thing now. So make us see where you go get. And stop it chatting. Stop telling lie them. Just come out and come do what you do, Marcia. And prove yourself as a liar.
A serpent like you needs to take the court. So if you feel like say you are rejoicing because I don't come out here, you should be crying because you're the one who is not going to be getting no new contents. You are the one who have to come out here and beg for bread. I don't have to beg for bread. I work. You is the one who is coming out here in Jamaica and begging for bread. I work. Me work into a house and it is well provided for me.
Never see come see when you see a big old balloon to decorate house in a Christmas.
And when me left your son,
As cheap as
me have a
balloon.
beautiful place, a residential place for me to put my head.
You forgot the days there for your transformer bed.
Why are they talking calling you homeless? Why are they calling you all kind of that? Me say because they claim that I live in America for 40 years and I don't own a house. And because I'd lose my apartment 2 years ago and I had to go into a place and live there. I explained to her, you people are bully.
Your boss have only part time for her
You
and do.
never, me want,
She not get no case at court.
my boss
Your boss not say that. Let me not say again. Your boss is a legal age. She not get no case of court. Or she have so much time to come in a social media tag and war where she not involved in her. She don't know nothing about. She have to invest a whole heap of time to see where going out here to get an understanding if she's not a fool. Eh? Then if she gonna do all of that, she only gonna come do and check out our page or whoever page then, put it away there. She not eat that. If she's a real liar, she gonna want to go from nitty gritty to Tennessee, to Echo Minot, to Sugar Minot, right down to Peter Metro, Squid the Ranks, Admiral Bailey, and Lieutenant Stitchy. If she even stop the sun and come and nowadays artists, but she go right down to nitty gritty because she want to know how all of this start. And if you go send her 2-3 page, that even rather worse. Because if a 1 page, she can't say, well, alright, as she want somebody to sit, I can say what I want. And cut your pass it. But when she see this a page come out at you, this a page, she go want wonder what about you so. So you know think she go want to see your page and she go see all those videos where you have I talk about picnic and I talk about suck this, suck that, and you know think she go see all of them there. Oh, you feel like I just oof a page out here she go want to see. Unless she an idiot. Unless she not a liar. And then again me ask a question. How she find so much time if you want to do this and she's not a social media person? She not get no case of court. How will she sit? In the judge chamber? But she still have to find time to find out the judge chamber she still on, you know. So me not understand. You're important in the Marcia. Are you tiger talk about? Yes, I'm important and it's more important to be nice.
She's looking out for you. Me not ask you. She'll look out for you. And she's look. I mean, make sure some warn my boss. Cause me not go delete the video. Me make sure some warn her. I said be careful what you say. Because they're recording you and putting you out on Facebook if that lady call you back. Just be careful. I told her. She said let me see that lady page. I said to her she don't have a blogging page. But just to make sure
What?
when they called you, if she ever called you, be careful what you say to her because they are recording you and putting it out on the blogging page. So my boss is looking out for Uno.
So, right just now, you know, I want to understand why she declared this. If there is anything go like what she has said, when you realize why she declared this, because she know want them go say things to the boss, question the boss, and the boss go say opposite of where she come out here and tell we say, and more. Because you know when she do that, you know Mr. Man are the first one that go get it. And she know why Mr. Man have that panar, you know. Cause you know if the 360 man never get the boss, I say certain things, you know. Marcia just do me, you know. So what she do, if it goes off it true, she make sure I put the boss on guard. But the thing about it, she don't know when the boss are going to get the call. And she don't know where the question is going to ask where the boss might feel obligated or feel within herself she can answer. Probably where the boss will answer still to she, I know nothing. Because she don't know where I'm going over here. As according to where she says she not in a social media. You understand? So the boss might still go say things we can use out here in a social media against her. So she makes sure I put the boss on bodyguard, super guard, guardsman, and all kind of guard as according to she. Because she are trying to prevent that. Boss, when they call you, them do call you. Be careful of what you say, but you can't say that. Because boss I go want to know where you have a hide. So she makes sure I tell the boss that for the boss use common sense now. You understand? Not capital sense, you know, the common one. And read between the lines. So, okay, I can't say certain things because they might record me. But the thing where the boss I go say we might use against your boss could have even look upon it as nothing. Because boss don't know we are going on social media. Boss don't know what we want to hear out here. But boss just going to talk as according to what she feel is okay to say. And what boss has said that she feel is okay to say, it's not okay for you.
If you people think that she's somebody to play with, come and play with her.
You can't scare nobody.
But me glad say the news reach over to her. Because you know what? Me didn't want to come over Facebook. Me didn't want a break. So you know what? It gives me enough time for me to sit home and take money when I spend on pocket radio and them little series there. Me get to watch it because I'm paying money for them. Me have subscription $150.
Marcia,
Me can't get to watch them in our ways. Me can't get to chop up my videos them and fling them across the board. Erica, you're losing. You're begging and I'm working. I'm making a nice comfortable place. You can't stop me no time at all. So if you and your non-emancipated people them think say me I lose because me don't go to Facebook in YouTube in the daytime. I mean, you people need to be in Bellevue department. Really and truly. You need to be in Bellevue. You need to be in Bellevue. You need to find yourself into a cemetery place where they embalm the dead and get a bang belly there of yours come down. Because bad mind and grudgeful take over your whole gut. Sadness, trials and tribulation take over your whole gut.
All the way you go through.
And 25.
Take her over now. Because you go through all that what I about last year, you know.
And you don't even have a washing machine. 2025. And you live in a Portland.
And everybody love washing machine.
In a nice area of Portland. And look at you.
And everybody love washing machine.
Look at you.
And everybody love washing machine. I remember most of them country people, they like when they go a river, them used to that type of something there. So, you can't take that beat nobody. You never even have a bath pan when you live a woodland village. Not even a bath pan when you can't throw 2 pieces of clothes in and wash. You never have when you live a woodland village. And this is why when you got the people them place, remember enough, for months we see a woodland village, we never see a wash yet. We see all kind of dirty clothes hang up on door, but we never see her wash. We see the clothes them recycle, but we never hear or see her wash. But all of a sudden you get the job. Free light, free water, free washing machine. Although the washing machine look like it broke down because like it has served the whole place in months and years. Because the washing machine make a bag of noise, or unless it not sit down level up on the flooring. And we hear you wash almost every day. One at a time I wonder if you work at the department for the place where them wash. Because every day you wash. You come out here and tell us say, when I say me not wash. But see now, yes. Me have machines so every day me just as me take it off, me wash it. Who does that? Eh? But you're possible to do it because you're not used to nothing. And then you not pay for the electricity. So if you get up and you take out something, you go wash it. Come on. But it goes to show, not even a bad pan you did have a woodland village, because you never did a wash so. Or when them pile up so. Or when the jars them set. The dirt set upon them when you take them off mountain time and then sitting there because you say, you know, we're not really. You answer and then set month on top of month and set. You know wash. But all of a sudden, you know, the people in place, every day as you take off a card until you wash with your machine. Because we really hear the machine for true, you know. Whole heap of time we hear the machine. So me wonder if you really a wash or somebody else next to, or probably phone room there next to which part the wash area there. Me don't know if you say. So you can't tell nobody about washing machine. Because you live a big fire and you never have none. Not even a bad pan.
Still, in your mentality, I wash in a bathtub every day out the door. You can't even buy a washing machine. The way you don't even love yourself, not even a washing machine. You come out every day with the bath pan and show your dirty
washing
yard
machine
will look like a Riverton dumpster. And you're over here cursing people before you go
Why this
What was I doing
isn't
at
or
that time?
wasn't?
Was I
Why this wasn't your choice from ever since? Since you is aware of the law, why didn't this be your choice from ever since? Even when you exposed your client before now, more than one time. And people say they're going to reach out to boss and Ray. Why you never make this decision from then? Since you know you're aware of the law, but you just do it because sometimes boringness and you know your boss now watch social media and Ray. Why you never make this decision from then? Why no? You're not making this decision by will, Marcia. Stop make it look like you make it by will because in your head you're a big deal. Nobody can tell you what to do. Just as though you come out and tell the man say he can't fire you. We hear it clear, you know. The man say we get you fired or I'm going to fire you, something like so. And you turn to the man and say you can't fire me. Then when you realize what you say in the life, you fix it up and twist it because I get strict rules and regulation. So basically you're saying that whosoever is his parent, his son, daughter who taking care of him, give you rules and regulations or it you follow. So basically, them can't fire you for follow the rules and regulations. You wasn't following any rules and regulations. You were forcing things on the man to get your own will to go up on social media. That's what you were doing. And because at times the man interrupt and disturb you because you are the one he is looking after. You're not the one who is looking after him. So he's disturbing you. You understand? Yes. You try to do all the things then. Because you're upset. And that's why you really take the remote, the battery out of the remote or flicker on the battery so when the man take it up and go so the TV can't turn on or turn up or turn down or say 9 or 11. You're too devious, man. You should know all of this before now. You have been forced with your liar self like you do it by your own.
doing anything significant more than sit on the table, eating and chatting foolishness? What was I doing? And arguing with you now? No, my blood pressure will come right down.
Are you saying I
Blood
have
pressure
that?
will come down.
Now you saying I have blood pressure?
While
I'm
you
not
out
sick. I
here
go to my
begging,
doctor. My doctor said my
you
blood
and
pressure is
yourself,
fine.
Satan advocates them.
Everything
Them
for you
broke,
fine
them not
health-wise.
work, while I am working.
So all of a sudden
It's
you
the
have
same
blood
thing.
pressure.
You're in the hospital. Okay. You're not on your phone until you get home. 12 hours. So what? So then what kind of laughing you and your people might laugh for me? You can't laugh for me. You can't laugh for somebody who live better than you. You can't laugh for somebody who make more money than you. Are you kidding me? What am I making out here?
Oh, well, you do the money where you
What
make.
am I making out here? Is YouTube paying my bills? YouTube is not paying my bills. More than left Facebook and YouTube in a heartbeat for this job here.
Because you're ungrateful.
You understand? Because at the end of the day,
It used to depend on one time.
sorrows, trials and tribulation, me not see una help me. Me could have come out here and beg and plea
You don't say you're not selling shit again.
to buy two little sheet.
Only if your people behind closed door ask you to shop for them.
So why you think I wouldn't left YouTube in a heartbeat?
You sure do it long time, man.
Why you think I wouldn't come off of YouTube in the daytime until my shift is over?
You try that. More than one time I know you're a boy.
After the shift is over. But I don't want you to make his voice come into the video. Then what is it? Come in, no saying going to call me. So what is it for you to over your page all day rejoicing about? You can't rejoice over somebody that is making money. Man.
You see what I tell you, say? You know, do this by will, a force. This is not the first time, whether it's the same client or client before, because me feel like say the job where you claim say that earn 150 offer, which is how much million Jamaican, it's the same job this. You did just pretend like you lose the job because you don't want them ease the pressure off of you. That's what me I get from it. Because the settings are the same settings you're there. You know, the kitchen with that piece of furniture sitting there, go up in the ear like a space rocket out to take off through the ceiling. So it's one of two things, as I said before. Is either you get back at work with the agent looking out for a different patient, but for me, it's the same patient. You never lose no job. But the pressure will coming at you so much, you pretend as if something goes wrong to ease the pressure off of you. But what me I say, you have been doing this long time where your patient them are exposed, whether vice or shadows or the people them property is exposing. Even the man that pass, where you did find out just part him have money or whatsoever and whatever you say, in people them love you, and even when the man pass, you never work with the people them for 2 months and you get retroactive money. Marcia never work with the people them for 2 months and Marcia get retroactive money. Marcia said the son them send her money with your liar self. Even that the man they expose him vice, so you never learn from them time there. Why now you're forced to stop because whatever reason you are gonna make it look like you stop on your own will. Go man.
Money guaranteed now. My money is guaranteed. I don't have to. My money is guaranteed to buy food put in my belly. I don't have to wait 1 month.
You want a house, a roof over your
to
head
get paid. I get paid every week to supply my needs. I don't have to come out here and act like a ghetto rat race, like barking dog, because you're going around like a barking dog without substance. You and your people, you have no class and you have no value. You have no self-esteem. The thing about it, you people don't like the truth. And when I come out here and I speak, you people don't like the way I speak. You don't like the way I put myself together. You don't like for me to speak about marriage. You want me to speak about single man and single woman, that we should shut up. I noticed that you people have a problem when I said that I want to get married. You people are laughing after me because I said I want to get married. Well, I am going to decree and declare marriage over my life. I did not come on this earth to shut up with no man.
Hey, you're coming like one whole computer from back in the home electric days when typewriter in. Yeah man. It coming like your memory gone. You are the one that come out and say you're not married again, you know. Then you say you're gonna married, but you have to find a man this and a man who can't do this and do that for you and way. Hi, if you've been married, no man now expect you're gonna stay home and come cook for him and this. So what you want married for? Eh? But no, you're going like a people a beat you down or a put you down so you can't marry. And you say you're not married again. So all of a sudden now you're interested in a marriage. How will y'all look now?
Come on this earth to be married and serve God, and I want to get married and go back into my church full time. And marriage, me say.
All of a sudden?
Until the last breath before body, may I get a ring on my finger.
Wow. And what kind of vision you get that you change your mind?
And I noticed that when I speak about marriage, you people don't like that. You people don't like people with high self-esteem. I must come out here looking like a riffraff.
You are a riffraff.
I should come out here looking poor. You people don't want me to come on social media
You're all of the
looking
above.
nice. You have a house and you're not comfortable. You have a house and you can't afford it. If you don't get YouTube money,
And that you run
struggling.
from the
You
expense.
don't work. You don't
Go
have
and
no
pay for
benefit
people off
coming
your
in
Marcia
because you
until
were a
they
prostitute. And you sure didn't have no benefit with that. You get redundant and you didn't have nothing behind it. You're married to a white man and kick you out of Belgium. He left you, you have the white man house where you take over. It is not your house. It's the white man house. And your children them house is not yours. John Gotti didn't buy that house for you. You can't come and talk about nobody. You're a trash.
So, you see it? You are the one that always a come out here, come give the people them content, and then you have a problem. You know say you're fool. You're fool bad.
So you're just over your pace, exaggerating and acting like you're important, but you're not important. You look like a alligator.
Yeah, the
You're
post
not
and still.
important,
You say
not
nobody
at
that
all.
you look like. Cause you look like too much things.
I mean, I put up on waste time, but
You look like too much
Kaun
things.
is
So
not
that's
in
the
my
point that I say
class.
nobody that.
Kaun not in my league.
Them not in
Me's
my
an eagle.
league.
Me are not drunk. I am an eagle. I am not a drunko.
I must see
You
one
look
on the
just like a
quarter farm.
squirrel.
I must the eagle on the quarter farm.
You look like a queen.
I can't
I'm
watch
not
that
supposed
guy.
to
I must the one with
with dirty
stagnant and
water
the on the
because
quarter
clean
farm
water.
can't move.
Dirty water and clean water don't mix.
I must
You
at the
look
eagle
just
is.
like your yard. You see how you're blending very well, dirty and crony. In a big platform, look where you come on social media, trying to scam people by showing them this type of yard, coming in and washing in buckets, in pan, for people to feel
Yes,
sorry for you.
Shall fool the people them. And that you try
Your
to.
scamming days is coming to an end. Because nothing lasts forever than salvation.
So if I that she a do,
I mean,
alright.
look at you.
Reality, if I that she a do, as where you say, she a use that to try win the heart of the people then. So why you take it cause her say she not have no washing machine, she not have this, when you know where she a do? Make it make sense. Cause if me know say somebody a do something just to win the heart of people, me can't take it tell them say them not have this, them not have that. Cause me know them can't have it. But them just a use it as them advantage to take disadvantage. But me don't understand it. Man say all this talk crap.
Look at you coming on a big platform and looking like that. Who you think you're fooling?
You.
Who you think you're fooling
You.
when you're making over $2,000 on YouTube?
See, so she can't count
Per
people money
month,
to
or
tell
a
you.
little bit more. Who you think you're fooling?
Tell you how she can't count people money. I hit a warrior,
When I
man.
add up your money, you're making over 4 million.
When you add up
Per
her
year
money,
to 5
and you are the
million a
accountant
year.
of YouTube,
Depends on how much you make on YouTube.
that is.
You
Oh,
when
are
if
you
don't
her
split it up
admin?
with your little cell crutch admin them.
What?
You tell me.
You Russia Luman
And
admin
you
them?
coming up here scamming the people. You are not fit for cooking for nobody. Did you have a permit to cook for anybody? Did you have any license? What kind of charity are you running? How is it you're collecting money for charity? What kind of charity you have? Do you have any food anglers permit to cook for nobody? Are you cooking outside in a dirty yard with rice and peas and all kind of something and a dirty place? Did you take the big pot and bring it into your house on the stove? No. Who are you cooking for? Jamaican government should ban you until you clean up your dirty yard, until you get a food angler's permit to cook for human being. You should not be cooking for human being. You should be cooking for the mongrel dog
Yes, she feel cook for ag like a yo. No man, she feel cook for ag like a yo.
That's who you should be cooking for. You should be cooking for the mongrel dog because you look just like a mongrel dog. And your surrounding look like a garbage. And where me see you carry the rice and peas and something there, when you go old place, when you go something, you should not be cooking for people, for human being. You should be cooking for the mongrel dog them in your yard.
Why? Marcia?
Me
Yeah,
now
stop
go
me.
answer the question. Me don't answer question about who I know and who know. But I'm letting you know, she don't have nothing to do with it. I just call her name. But if I never came out here and spoke and tried to cuss off the person, she wouldn't know one Ross. And over her page, taking credit like you can take me off of Facebook. None of you can take me off of YouTube and Facebook. None of you.
know
But
that?
sometimes we take a little chances. I know that. So, what is the problem?
When you know
I'm
that?
not supposed to be on social media while I'm working. I'm working.
You're
So
forced to
that
come
is
out
when I
and say
said I
that
would come
now.
out here.
Forced.
After I finish working, or early in the morning, before I start working. Then what is wrong with that? Me's a night owl.
All of a
So
sudden.
what is wrong with that? And we all laugh off. You can't laugh off me.
Anyway, speak the
Laugh for
mind
yourself.
people. Come to the end of another video.
Me alright.
Marcia, alright, we come to the end of another video. Wanna know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. The cash app is there, you ask for it, you get it. When you give me use a gift to give back to the needy. Please run over to charmsandtrend.shop website and purchase one of my t-shirt or caps. Happy Sunday, I'm out.